What's up, people? I decided to get a little dressed up for you tonight, so I put on my tux. Last night was Monday Night Raw and ate cheese dogs. Tonight, it's Miami Vice on the Sleuth Channel and ate cheese dogs. And I gotta tell you, when it comes to good TV shows, oh yes, Miami Vice is definitely one of them. Now, the Sleuth Channel is a new channel here in New York. Probably started at the beginning of the month. It's got shows like Simon and Simon, Knight Rider, Magnum PI. Shows that made the 80s, you know? Crockett's yelling at his girlfriend that he was gonna marry, but obviously ain't because, you know, she's a doctor on drugs, you know? Always happened in the 80s, you know? Don Johnson, before he started singing that song, Heartbeat. Miami Vice was always a good show. 5 years, got them all on DVD. Also had a lot of good music. A lot of great celebrity stars, too. And of course, in this day and age, you don't see that too much on television now. But then again, the 80s were a different time. They were a better time. They were a time where, on a Friday night, you wanted to stay home and watch television because television was good. I mean, in the late 70s, early 80s, you had Dukes of Hazzard, you had the Incredible Hulk. In the later years, you had Miami Vice, you had Knight Rider. Good shows, you know? Of course, as the years went on, the shows just really didn't live up to what was on in the 80s, you know? I mean, before you had Monday Night Raw and shit, there was MacGyver, one of the greatest shows ever made. You know? And who do you have to thank for MacGyver, a show like MacGyver? Right? Fonzie, Henry Winkler. But a lot of you didn't know that. I knew that. So my buddy Carmine, thanks. If I was to add chili to these cheese dogs, it would be another 4-minute video on top of however long the video is. Quite possible. Well, we won't know because I'm not going to do that. I mean, don't get me wrong. I know you want to see it, but it's just not going to happen. You know, trust me, there's a lot of things I know out there that you want to see me do that I ain't gonna do. And don't get me wrong, I would. I could. But I'm not, you know?
Andrea Barrow is a real Geico customer, not an advertising spokesperson. So to help tell her story, we hired one.
One day a rock hit the windshield on my car. Oh, yeah. Perfect blast and shivers down my bottom.
Got a Geico commercial going on now with Mrs. Buttersworth.
It was a piece of cake. Or maybe
Anyway.
a hot pancake. The repairman came right to my house and fixed my baby like me. Now I feel rich. Bacon buttery too.
Geico. Real service, real savings.
I'm not sure how long this video has been going on. And even though I'm only up to number 6, she's finishing right here, I'm going to cut the video because we might go over the 10-minute mark, and I really don't want to do that because then I have to shoot the video over, which means I have to eat more hot dogs. And it's 10:30 at night. I'm going to bed in about an hour. Don't really want to do that, you know? So have a good night. Peace. Check out my Miami Vice Monday through Friday on the Smooth channel.